Hi, welcome to my channel Launchpad. Having a drone basically means having your personal flying camera always at your disposal. Well, technically not always since you can't carry those bulky drones with you wherever you go. But it's a completely different story if you own a portable one that can fit in your pocket. No worries, we will not waste any more of your precious time. We'll jump straight to our list of the 5 best pocket-sized drones that are available for purchase. Number 5 is SKYKING F001 Mini Drone. A good toy for kids as a birthday or holiday gift. Hovering can keep the drone at a certain height, making a super stable flight in both indoor and outdoor. Even beginners can master it easily. Integrated storage. The Ultra Mini Drone can be stored in the matching remote control. Very portable and convenient whether indoors or outdoors. Headless mode makes it easier to maneuver the drone, especially when the drone is flying over long distances. Just press the throttle stick to set the headless mode and bring the drone back easily. Portable design. Fingertip size 3x 2.2 cm, making it easy for drones to carry around and fly indoors and outdoors. 3D flip in light mode. One-click 360-degree flip for easy control by kids and beginners. Even in a small space, you can perform stunts in the air with amazing color LED lights. 2-speed self-tuning. 2-stage adjustable speed. Low speed indoor leisure and training. High speed outdoor combat and competition. Number 4 is 4D RCV2 Fold. Number 3 is Mini Drone with Camera. Number 2 is Syma Cifond X20 RC Drone.
The whole new Syma X20 is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to post a video at any time and learn the X20 accessories assembly with. Turn off the aircraft. 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, fly in the constant altitude, headless mode. Long press the right joystick into headless mode and then long press the right joystick to exit headless mode. High and low speed switch. Short press the right joystick to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune. Push left and right joysticks to lower right for horizontal correction. Long press the trimming button and restart the controller for trimming reset. 3D rolling mode. Press the rolling button on the top right corner. Syma X20 makes fly so easy.
Number 1 is SIMREX X300C Mini Drone. Foldable design. Bring it anywhere. Saves the space and easy to carry. Propeller protection. The drone is designed with propeller protection ring, which greatly protects the aircraft from being damaged to a certain extent and extends its service life. Altitude hold function. Powerful air pressure altitude hold function. You can release the throttle stick and the drone will keep the current height. Dual Sense control. SIMREX Dual Sense control. Mobile phone and remote control. Dual Sense control can also be remotely controlled using a mobile phone or remote control, and can be controlled by the mobile phone when the remote control is disconnected. 110 degrees wide angle FPV camera. High resolution 1920x1080. Enjoy high quality real-time image through app. Professional camera with 110 degrees wide angle FPV camera, recording every wonderful moment. One key return in headless mode. Orientation of the drone is in relation to the pilot. Easier to control and fly back. You'll have total control for a straightforward, easy and stable flying experience. 360 degrees flips and rolls. Realize any direction. Cool rule. Make more fun. Keep protection for your eyes. It can be used with VR glasses to experience the speed sense of flying. VR glasses are not included in the product. Simple operation. It is easy to use even with your zero base. One key to take off landing. Multiple methods of control. Phone Wi-Fi, phone gravity control, iOS and Android, or transmitter control, transmitter gravity control. 3 speed modes. HML. Make the drone more suitable for beginners and experts. You could even try switching different speed modes when the drone is in flight for more fun. So these are best 5 pocket or small drones. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in next video.